Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to continue learning how to pass the Trinity GESE Grade 5 B1 English exam. In this video, we will focus on two very important Trinity skills. First, choosing a good topic. A good Trinity topic should help you use different tenses naturally, such as present simple, past simple, present perfect, future simple. This is important because Trinity examiners usually ask questions based on your topic and subtopics. So if your topic is simple and easy to control, the conversation will also become easier. That is why good B1 topics should be personal, simple, connected to daily life. Second, we will focus on natural interaction. According to Trinity GSEE guidance, candidates should ask the examiner simple questions naturally during the discussion. For example, what about you? Do you enjoy cooking? Have you ever tried that? This helps create a real conversation. Remember, Trinity GSEE is designed to feel like a natural discussion, not a memorized speech. Now, let's begin the exam simulation. Good morning. Welcome to the Trinity GSE Grade 5 examination. My name is Sarah Brown. I will be your examiner today. What is your name, please?
Good morning. My name is John Martinez.
Nice to meet you, John. Where do you live?
I live in Sutton. I live alone in the UK now.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Spain. My family still lives there.
Now we are going to discuss your topic. What is your topic today?
Today, I want to talk about how to stay healthy. My subtopics are exercise, healthy food, good sleep, having a positive mind, and future health goals.
Let's start with exercise. What do you usually do to stay healthy?
I usually go jogging 2 or 3 times a week. I started jogging about 2 years ago because I wanted to lose weight. Now, I feel much healthier than before.
That sounds good. Do you enjoy jogging now?
Yes, I do. It helps me relax after work. I have also become more energetic since I started exercising regularly.
What about you? Do you enjoy exercise too?
Yes, I do, but I prefer cycling. Would you like to try any new activities in the future?
Yes. In the future, I would like to try swimming. I also want to join a gym next year.
Let's talk about food now. What kind of food do you usually eat?
Now I eat more vegetables, fruit, and chicken. I usually cook at home because it is healthier. I don't eat too much fast food anymore.
Was your diet different in the past?
Yes, very different. Before, I ate too much junk food and drank many soft drinks. Sometimes I felt tired after meals.
I understand. Have your eating habits improved recently?
Yes, they have. I have learned how to cook some healthy meals. I have also stopped drinking too many sugary drinks.
What would you like to improve in the future?
I will eat more fish and less junk food. I also want to learn more healthy recipes.
Why do you think sleep is important?
I think sleep is very important because it helps our body rest. If I sleep well, I feel more focused during the day. Good sleep also reduces stress.
Did you always sleep well?
No, not really. Last year, I slept very late because I used my phone too much at night. Sometimes I only slept 5 hours.
Has your sleeping schedule changed now?
Yes, it has. I have started going to bed earlier. Now I usually sleep 7 or 8 hours every night.
What will you do in the future to improve your sleep?
I will use my phone less at night. I will also try to sleep earlier every day.
How do you stay positive while living alone in the UK?
I usually talk to my family in Spain every weekend. I also spend time with friends after work. This helps me feel happier.
Was it difficult when you first moved here?
Yes, it was. At first, I felt lonely because everything was new. However, I have become more confident now.
What have you learned from this experience?
I have learned how to become more independent. I have also improved my English a lot. Living alone has taught me many life skills. Have you ever lived in another country?
Yes, I lived in France for 1 year. What are your future health goals?
I want to stay healthy for a long time. I also want to have enough energy for work and travel. Good health is very important to me.
Have you already achieved some of your goals?
Yes, I have. I have lost weight and improved my fitness. I feel much healthier now than before.
What will you do next year?
Next year, I will exercise more regularly. I will also continue eating healthy food. Maybe I will join a sports club too.
That sounds like a good plan. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next part of the exam. Let's talk about special occasions. Have you celebrated any special occasions recently?
Yes, I have. Last month, I celebrated my birthday with some friends in London. We went to a restaurant and had a really nice evening together.
That sounds lovely. What did you enjoy most?
I enjoyed spending time with my friends. Because I live alone in the UK, it was nice to celebrate together. I also got some nice gifts.
What gifts did you get?
I got some clothes, chocolates, and headphones. My friends know that I really enjoy music. What about you? Do you enjoy birthdays too?
Yes, I do. I usually celebrate with my family. How do people celebrate birthdays in your hometown in Spain?
In Spain, families usually eat together and have a big meal. People also play music and dance sometimes. The celebrations are usually very lively.
Do you think celebrations are different in the UK?
Yes, I do. In the UK, celebrations are usually quieter than in Spain. But I have enjoyed both experiences.
Now, let's talk about music. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I usually listen to pop music and Latin music. I often listen to music when I'm cooking or exercising. It helps me relax.
Did you enjoy music when you were younger?
Yes, I did. When I was younger, I listened to music every day after school. I also enjoyed watching music videos online.
Have your music preferences changed?
Yes, they have. I have started listening to calmer music recently. Now I prefer relaxing music because it helps reduce stress. What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy pop music and classical music. Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have. I went to a concert in London last year with my friends. It was very exciting, and the atmosphere was amazing.
Would you like to go to more concerts in the future?
Yes, definitely. In the future, I would like to go to more live concerts. I think live music is a really special experience.
Thank you. That is the end of the test.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
This was a good example of a Trinity GSEE Grade 5 B1 exam. The candidate used simple English, clear answers, natural conversation. The candidate also used different tenses naturally: present simple, past simple, present perfect, future forms. This is important in Trinity Grade 5 because examiners want to hear different time frames during the discussion. The candidate also asked the examiner simple questions naturally. For example, what about you? Do you enjoy exercise too? Have you ever lived in another country? This helped the conversation sound more natural. Remember, Trinity GSEE is not a memorized speech test. It is a natural communication exam. So try to speak clearly, use simple English, use different tenses naturally, ask simple questions naturally. Also choose simple topics, personal topics, daily life topics. This will help you feel more confident in the exam. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Trinity GSEE Grade 5 exam.
If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you want more Trinity B1 mock exams. Stay confident, prepare smart, you can pass Trinity B1.